Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain what China is hiding on Google Earth. You might notice that satellite images within China often look misaligned or blurry compared to other regions. This isn't a glitch, it's a deliberate policy. China has strict rules about geographic data, requiring all mapping services to use a specific, altered coordinate system for national security reasons. This creates a unique challenge for global mapping platforms. The primary reason for these discrepancies is China's national standard for geographic coordinates, known as GCJ02 or sometimes Mars coordinates. This system intentionally applies a random, non-uniform offset to actual GPS coordinates. This means that if you take a GPS reading in China, it won't perfectly match the coordinates displayed on a standard global map like Google Earth, making direct overlays challenging and often inaccurate. This unique coordinate system has significant implications for navigation and any service relying on precise location data within China. It causes a noticeable shift, often by several hundred meters, between the true geographic location and what's displayed on many international mapping platforms. This policy is primarily implemented to safeguard national security and maintain control over sensitive geographic information, ensuring that all mapping data adheres to domestic regulations. While this system presents challenges, there are ways to navigate it. Many official Chinese mapping applications, like Beidou Maps or AMAP, use the correct GCJ02 coordinates, providing accurate local information. Additionally, some third-party tools and algorithms exist that can help convert between the standard WGS84 GPS coordinates and China's GCJ02 system, allowing for better alignment. And speaking of things that make life better, check the description for a link to grab some little trees, black ice, and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.